we're doing a recap of the past day or two, whatever it is. We're in a shelter right now.
Like, what day is it? Is it like 6?
I think it's, yeah, something like that. It's
Yeah.
June 30th. So yesterday we did another 11.2 miles or so. It was hard. There was a big mountain, 1,500
God.
feet, but not nearly as big as what we're going to be facing
I wasn't ready
a
yet.
few weeks from now. But yeah, it rained last night, and our tent over there held up just fine. We had a nice little creek down there. You probably can't see it from here, but yeah, it was nice. We stayed dry and warm, so.
Yeah.
I
I thought we were having an alien invasion, but no, we just had company.
So. Oh, you're good. Anything else? We're gonna try to do like 13 and a half today. Well, we almost
for
like
us.
have to get 13 and a half today to the next tent site, because there's really nothing else before that. So,
Yeah.
and our food drop is gonna be picked up in a couple of days, so we need to get some big miles in today. So we'll get off here and get ready to tear down and start hiking.
We'll get to it.
All right, see ya.